Most people are playing a game they've already lost. They trade their life for a paycheck. One source of income is a trap disguised as security. If that one stream dries up, your world stops. The wealthy don't work for money. They build systems that work while they sleep. You've been told to focus on one career. That is the lie that keeps you dependent. The secret isn't just having more money. The secret is having more directions it flows from. Imagine a table with only one leg. One push, and it all comes crashing down. Now imagine a table with 5, 10, 20 legs. It becomes unshakable. That is the power of multiple income streams. It's not about working 20 jobs. It's about owning 20 assets. Dividends, rentals, digital products, royalties. These are the soldiers in your private army. While you are resting, they are conquering. While you are dreaming, they are building. Most people spend their time buying liabilities. Cars, clothes, and temporary status. The elite spend their time buying back their freedom. They diversify not to get rich, but to stay free. Fragility is relying on a boss who doesn't know your name. Anti-fragility is having 5 streams that don't care if you're fired. The transition isn't easy. It requires a shift in your very identity. You must stop being a consumer and start being a creator. Stop looking for a salary and start looking for a margin. The first stream is the hardest to build. The second stream is the most important. The third stream is where the momentum begins. By the 5th, you are no longer a slave to the clock. You see the world differently now. Every dollar is a seed. You can eat the seed today and be full for an hour. Or you can plant it and feed your family for a generation. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. The economy doesn't care about your plans. Inflation is eating your savings alive. The only hedge against chaos is cash flow. Not a pile of cash, but a river of it. A river that flows regardless of the weather. A river that flows regardless of the market. You have the tools, the tech, and the time. What you lack is the discipline to stop trading time for pennies. Build your fortress before the storm arrives. Start today, or stay a victim of the system forever. If you're ready to break the cycle and master your wealth, subscribe now and join the elite who refuse to settle. The journey to total freedom starts here. Don't get left behind.